हात नाही देणार आहे, ठीक आहे. मला तिथे बोलायचं आहे. ओके ब्रो. This is the part of the story where Rin has joined us, and this is the part of the story where googling on the internet really helped me go ahead. Oh, wait, you are new here? First go and watch the previous episodes and then come back here. And if you are new here, we are 2.5 Maharashtrians. This is one Maharashtrian, the other half is behind the camera. Say hi, Rasika.
Hi.
And this is our half Maharashtrian. Say hi, Rin. Moving on. So one night we were talking as we got stuck due to my degree. Since I did not get my degree, we were stuck. And one night when me and Rasika were talking, just general discussing while having dinner, Rasika said, why don't you stick to your original plan? Since I was a kid, I always wanted to go ahead and study abroad, and that was the original plan basically. And Rasika told, let's stick to the original plan. So as soon as we decided that we will stick to the original plan of going abroad and studying, we decided to approach few agencies for that. That were study abroad agencies such as Krishna Consultancies, Global Reach, and many more. And I started approaching them one by one, and my gap of education was 10 years long between my 12th standard and basic graduation degree. So we decided that we will start from graduation again. The gap was 10 years long, and as soon as I told a lot of agencies that okay, the gap is 10 years long, they directly said no to me, because so most of the countries don't allow a gap of 10 years between your education. Then Rasika googled that which countries allowed a gap of 10 years, and it was only UK and New Zealand. Then we found one more agency, GB Education. We met Vishal sir there. We will come back to him afterwards. GB Education suggested that instead of, so we had in mind that okay, not Australia, then we will go for the New Zealand option, but Vishal sir or GB Education suggested us go for UK. It has better universities for mathematics course. And I found one interesting thing. No one willingly takes mathematics for their graduation. That was a funny part though. For me, of course, not for many of you. So thing is, he suggested, or GB Education suggested, go for UK. It has better universities like Cambridge, Oxford. Of course, Cambridge, Oxford are major Ivy League universities, but he said there are a lot of good universities that allow this kind of gap in your education. There are only 2 countries in the world that allow this kind of education gap, and once we talked with GB Education, they helped us through entire process and we started applying to the universities. And if you are wondering, it took us a whole year to reach up to this point. Didn't I tell you staying positive pays off? Oh wait, and wait for the next episode, because that's where things got bad. The whole thing went on toss because pandemic hit us.
1, 2, 3, start.
The world is my stage. तिथे झोपतो ना तू, मला याचे हात दाखवावं लागतात ना कुठे झोपलाय तू म्हणून. मूड नाही दाखवायचा आहे रे कॅमेराकडे, चेहरा दाखवायचा आहे रे तुझा सुंदरू बंदरू. तुझे joining on the news with us is a news specialist from the field, our half Maharashtrian, the Rin. Do you have to say something about it, sir? You don't have to smell about it, but you have to say something. The mic is here, sir. Sir. It's okay. Down. Come on, down. Got one.
Okay. Start.
And if you are new here, stay positive, not COVID positive. याची स्टोरी यायचीच आहे अजून.